'Cause a good song never dies. It just reminds you of where you were. The first time it made you cry, first time you felt alive. No good song never. 'Cause a good song never dies. No good song never dies.
Kim, Beryl, nakikita mo ito. Alam mo, kahit anong laki ng gastos, kahit anong ganda ng kasal, kung tayo pagsasama natin ganito, hindi makikita ang kaganda. Walang perfectong pamilya. Pero kapag ang pag-ibig at ang pag-ibig ng Diyos ang sumasa atin, anumang sira, anumang ugali mayroon tayo, ang Diyos ang siyang magsasaayos nito.
Babe, I promise to honor and love you no matter what. Hindi na ako bibitiw dahil pangakong lagi mo na ako kasama anumang hirap at ginhawa. Aalagaan ka, ikaw at ang magiging mga anak pa natin. Susuportahan ka sa lahat ng plano mo sa buhay at mga bagay na gusto mo na mapagawa pa.
Babe, if there's one thing I always want to look back ay yung nakilala kita 3 years ago. Because of you, how I view life has changed.
Laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ng tinig ay di mawawala.
Today, I'm confident to be standing right beside the man who completes my life, my happiness, and my purpose.
Kung utak ay hindi na kayang gumawa.
Thank you for making the happiest bride as I am now. This relationship would not been so wonderful kung hindi naging matyaga ka sa akin. You have seen at my lowest part, pero naging matapang ako harapin ang mga challenges because of you. Through you, I become my best version every day.
Piliin ka ng paulit-ulit tulad ng pagpili mo sa akin kung walang alinlangan. Our next chapter would be not easy. Maraming challenges ang dating pa. Pero handa na akong mas mahalin ka.
Laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta.
Thank you, babe, for being there since day one. I'm very thankful that we had each other when no one believed us. When you had nothing, I still here. We are together, going stronger when we have almost everything. I love you, babe, and I can't wait to spend the life with you.